This is Sensor Studio, bringing you the news about the Middle East war quickly. This is Saudi Arabia. There was an attack by Iranian forces on Prince Sultan Air Base in Saudi Arabia. There were ballistic missile and drone attacks. As a result, a US KC-135 aerial refueling aircraft was destroyed, and several others were reportedly damaged. This is Tehran. Smoke is rising in Tehran, and there has been an explosion. This is Isfahan, Iran. Residents are filming scenes of a fire breaking out in downtown Isfahan. Currently, Israeli airstrikes are taking place across Iran, and black smoke is rising in one area. This is Tel Aviv, Israel. Damage has occurred in the Tel Aviv area due to an Iranian missile attack. In Tel Aviv, it is not yet confirmed whether the missile hit directly, but an explosion has occurred. In Tel Aviv, cluster munitions have landed, but there have been no reported casualties. This is northern Israel. As Hezbollah's rocket attacks continue, the Israeli military is intercepting them with the Iron Dome. Israel is currently facing a shortage of air defense missiles. Over Israeli airspace, ballistic missiles are flying. In the West Bank, ballistic missiles launched by Iran are also landing. This is Bahrain. Iranian missiles have targeted the Al-Hid industrial complex in Bahrain. The Iranian Revolutionary Guard launched and announced the second phase of the 84th operation targeting the American Zionist base on Bubiyan Island in Kuwait. The Iranian Atomic Energy Organization said bombs landed near the Bushehr nuclear plant in a third attack by US and Israeli forces, Tasnim News reported. The organization stated that tonight's attack did not cause any casualties or property or technical damage. Brigadier General Amir Mohammadi, commander of the Iranian Revolutionary Guard's Tarhala Corps, was killed by Israeli forces. Iran turned back 2 Chinese ships in the Strait of Hormuz. Previously, Iran had allowed some Chinese ships to pass, but this time, they turned back 2 vessels. Reza Nazafi, Iran's UN representative in Vienna, announced through Iran's state news agency ISNA that Iran has agreed to facilitate the smooth transport of humanitarian relief supplies through the Strait of Hormuz at the request of the UN. Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi stated that Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu is gambling with the lives of Americans. He also said that if this gamble fails, the United States will have to pay the price for several years to come. Iran stated that since their own steel mill was attacked, they will now attack steel mills in the Middle East as well. The steel mills in question are the Hadid Steel Mill in Jubail, Saudi Arabia, Emirates Steel and Arkan Steel Mills in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates, Qatar Steel Mill in Mesaieed, Qatar, Fulad Steel Mill in Al-Hid, Bahrain, United Steel Industrial Mill in Shuaiba, Kuwait, and Yehud Steel Mill in Ashdod, Israel. President Trump referred to the Hormuz Strait as the Trump Strait. President Trump also stated that the United States still has 3,554 targets left in Iran. He went on to say that Iran is no longer a powerful country. In addition, he said that the future of the Middle East has become brighter and that Mushtaba seems to have either died or is in very critical condition. The United States said it won't send the Patriot air defense system to Switzerland and has frozen F-35 payments after Switzerland stopped arms sales to the US. According to an AP report, Russia is currently providing Iran with drones equipped with the latest technology. Russia has also completely banned all gasoline exports since April 1. The Russian Foreign Ministry announced that Sergei Lavrov, the Russian foreign minister, discussed the possibility of a diplomatic resolution to the Iran war with his counterpart on Friday. French Finance Minister Roland Lesquier stated that France has released 580,000 barrels of crude oil, about 4% of its pledged amount, in response to the Iran war with the US and Israel, following the International Energy Agency's call to reduce strategic reserves. The Yemeni Houthi rebels have announced that if the United States and Israel do not stop their continued attacks on Iran, they will join the war. If there is more news in the future, I will make a video and upload it. This concludes the video. Thank you. Subtitles.